Welcome another Airdrop video. So in this video I'm going to show you Nexus Airdrop that can potentially make you slightly money. So you can just do it by every day, just set them up and forget that. Okay, pretty simple, just easy to do, straightforward. So how do you do it? I will show you in the next, okay, just couple of seconds later. Just pay attention and watch this and set your Nexus account and make slightly money from here. Okay, so let's dive in the next search. Welcome everybody. So simple airdrop, everybody can do it, okay, by just entering the website. Frequently, if you noticed, simple airdrop over time can make you lot of money. Okay, anyhow, so don't talk any further garbage stuff. So let's dive in valuable content. So Nexus Airdrop. First, what you need to do, you need to copy the link, join here, tap onto there, and copy the link, exact link, and paste it into your browser. So I'm pasting my link inside of the browser like this way, then it will be opened up. Pretty much simple interface. So what you need to do in order to getting provider ID, simply click on the connect. Okay, it is connected with your IP, with your device. Now what you are noticing in here, provider ID. So while you click on this connect, this thing would be automatically curated for you. So now let's say you can say that, oh, so is that good? Because if I change my account, if I transfer my account, this Nexus account to another account, how do I do it? If my phone is get broken, what will be happen at that time? No problem, you can add email in here. Simply you need to just click on the this arrow section. If you reached in here, main option, click on there, and you need to paste your email that you want to paste it into here. Okay, so I put my email. Now click this save, and you need to check your email for verify it. Okay, so confirm it. If it is, give you the link of verification inside of the Gmail, and then while you click on use of this time, you will get it. Okay, your email is connected, your phone is connected with it. Now it's time to just, you know, just farming. Okay, your network is up and downing in here, cycle second, everything is doing. Just each day open it up, set them up, and forget about it. Okay, this way you can do it. Same mining stuff you can do. As you, if you do grass, if you do OCs, there's a lot of not pay, lot of mining stuff is going on. So if you do those, you can do it too. Okay, so probably this video is got slightly variable every other video. If you want, please check out description box for getting the Telegram channel, join in the camp. Okay.